Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by organizing 2 images and a simple HTML file so you can focus on layout, not troubleshooting. Open your editor and add a container div with an img tag for the base image, then add a second img for the overlay. Use relative paths so live previews work. Once done, include a linked CSS file and test in the browser. This ensures you can iterate quickly and confirms your resources are accessible before you apply styles or positioning. You now control how the overlay sits on the base image by using CSS. Set the container to position, relative so the overlay's absolute coordinates are local. Then make the overlay image position, absolute and tweak top, left, right, or bottom values to nudge it into place. Use transform, translate for fine centering. Make sure to set z-index higher than the base image so the overlay appears on top, and adjust width, height, or opacity to maintain visual balance and responsiveness. You finish by making the composition responsive and testing thoroughly. Apply max width, 100% in height, auto on the base image, then express overlay positions in percentages or use CSS clamp, so placement scales. Once set, test at multiple widths and use DevTools to toggle outlines and inspect computed styles. If the overlay disappears, make sure z-index is higher, pointer events aren't blocking interaction, and that the container's position remains relative.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.